to Shobdon. It's bank holiday Monday in May and I'm still doing the preparations for Mum's funeral. I've got the 25 pictures, I need to upload those, and the eulogy is just about written and I just need to give myself a bit of a break. So we're just going to go to an air show and see what that's like. Shobdon in Herefordshire were running this air show, so we just went along. That's an Invicta, it's beautiful. Then you've got two Austins.
You're just getting it ready for me. Let's try to want to show first.
As you guys know, if you've been following my channel, I'm running a mile a day in May to raise money for Cancer Research UK as part of the BALBABE Fund as well. So this came the other day, BALBABE Fund, and on the back, take risks, love deeply and have no regrets. Always, always have rebellious hope. Dame Deborah James. That's something that I will always remember with Mum. She was just so strong. Got the t-shirt on now, ready for the run. Just back from the run, had a bit of a stretch, more hydrated now, and my fastest mile so far was 13 minutes 11 seconds. So I'm getting there. Yeah, not quite up to pace yet, but slowly getting a bit faster each day, which is awesome. Have you heard the saying as well, robins appear when loved ones are near? Just have a look at this. This was absolutely incredible. So I've been sat at the computer for a while now. I've revisited this quite a few times because I want it to be right, because it's so important. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to follow my progress and see how fast I can actually get the mile to be, then please make sure that you go down and hit subscribe. That would be amazing. And if you're able to give just a few pounds to the funds, then there'll be a link in the description. Thank you so much. There'll be another video out on Friday.